Hi and welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you how to set up a time in 2018 Mitsubishi Outlander. So if you look at your infotainment system, you need a find home button and then you'll have to press on it. After that you will have to press settings. And now right there on the top we have clock. So I'm gonna press on clock. It's already selected, but let's say if you're like this settings, then you need to go scroll to the right until you get to the clock and then press it. Now right here you can choose manual or auto. So with auto you just can select your area that you live in and it will automatically display your time. So let's say currently we are Pacific time. You can scroll to the right and then as you can see the time zones are changing. I'm gonna leave it at Central time and now that's my time, and just gonna select set, and now I have this time display 2:16 p.m. While you're here you can also switch to 24-hour system or just stay at 12-hour system. Or also, if you want to do it manually, you can also select manual and then tap on the clock here, and now you can change your time here. You can change hours and minutes. Also, you can switch from PM to AM and vice versa. If you need to change your date as well, on the left hand side you can also change your date. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna actually switch to auto, and like I said again, you just switch your region. I'm gonna leave it at Central and press set, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.